Oh, you got an ass on you, alright. See, that's what he's talking about. Spread your ass open, dude. You could do the rump shaker, huh? The thug shaker. Give me the thug shaker, dude. Shake your ass. Take your hands off it and shake that shit. Pull your shirt up. I know you can shake it. Shake it. Yeah, that's some thug ass right there. Oh yeah, that'll work. You got the booty, dude. God damn. You look good, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice, huh? Alright, that'll work for him. Put that condom on. You ready to sit on that shit? You got...
Let's just get it over with.
Alright, let's get it over with. You're alright.